welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Dean. Welcome, Dean. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Hey, Gary. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Um, let's go over the markets. The Dow was up today. Dow, a little over 100 points. Nasdaq, S&P, Russell, all the indexes were up today. I want to do something a little differently today. I want to go through all of the systems, show you guys what's going on. We can relax a bit, right? We can relax a bit with equities, right? We do have a buy signal. So a buy signal came in on the Dow, right? So things are looking much, I mean, it's been doing well for a while, but this buy signal here on the weekly time frame is a big deal on the Dow. We are right here from the all-time highs. We've been putting a lot of focus on equity, so we can relax a bit and start looking at the other markets, but still incorporate the equity markets also. So this is the Dow here. This is this week buy signal here, and this is how far we are from the all-time high, guys, on the Dow. All right, so that's great news. All right, so that's the Dow. The Nasdaq right here. Here's the all-time high on the Nasdaq. Buy signal here. S&P, same thing. Look at how close the S&P is, guys, to the all-time high. All right, so just really, really good, nice price action, and hopefully we'll get something like this, right? Hopefully we get a move like this, where we're seeing markets not making big, right, retracements, just nice continued, buying in the markup phase. So that's the goal. Russell really broke out today. All right, with another big week here. I think with the Russell, if we can get past this area right about in here, we could get a buy signal on the Russell. And then we'll have all of the sectors with buy signals. Okay. All right. So this evening, we won't spend a lot of time on equities. I do want to go through the other systems, other markets. Let's go through Forex though. All right. Let's take a look at Monster Scalper and the current positions. Let me know if you guys have any questions, any symbols, Forex symbols you want to take a look at, and we can certainly do that. Euro pairs are holding well. All right. So EURTRY buy signal is here. That's holding. Euro Aussie holding here. All right. Euro pound. All right. Look at the move in Euro pound, guys. Buy signal is here, holding nicely. Euro dollar. All right, closed. All right, so buy signal was here, right? Broke support. All right, so close that trade there. Close that trade in euro dollar. Good trade there. All right. We'll keep an eye on the dollar too, guys. I'll show you guys what's going on with the dollar. All right. Euro HKD that also closed with a good profitable trade. All right, you guys should be doing really well with Forex. Okay, so we've had great moves in Forex. Not perfect, but really good moves. Euro HKD closed that trade. Buy signal was here. Sell signal. We should be out of EUR HKD. Euro New Zealand that's holding. All right, Aussie dollar, we should be out of Aussie dollar. Buy signal here, sell signal here, broke support. We should be out of Aussie dollar. All right, New Zealand CAD, we should be out. Buy signal here, sell signal here. We should be out of New Zealand CAD. All right, a long time ago. So close that trade. All right, you should be taking profits by now. Swiss yen, we're looking at the yen pairs, guys, making another move up. All right, so yen pairs looking to make another move up. So Swiss yen, buy signal is here. That's holding nicely. Euro yen, right? We added this today. Buy signal here. You guys should have received that signal, right? Holding. SGD JPY, another new one. Buy signal is here, holding. Look at remember the previous trades. All right, so really pay attention to those yen pairs. Get in early. Those of you who missed, right, the previous nice long trades in the yen pairs, do not miss this one. All right, this could be another nice move as the equity markets move high. Remember, guys, remember, that's why I want to go through the different systems this evening, because these rotations carry through. All right, so as the equity markets are moving higher, as these indexes are moving higher, you'll see the yen pairs follow. All right, you'll see the yen pairs follow. They tend to do that. All right, so SGD JPY. All right, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right, Aussie New Zealand. That's holding here. Keep an eye on that. ZAR yen. All right, ZAR yen, good trade there going with ZAR yen. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely, right? We could really see it move if it breaks the high right here. Okay, so good longs going with Monster Scalper. Okay, let's take a look at the shorts. All right, short positions in Monster Scalper. And again, equities are holding, the market is holding, so we can ease off a little with equities. Okay, just continue to, build positions. All right, short positions. All right, hold on. All right, some of these we should be already out of. Okay. All right, so that CAD yen, guys, just amazing trades, right? Amazing trading. What a great environment, right? If you're not successful, right, with your trading, and you're trading your systems, just get with me, right? We need to fix some things. All right, get with me. CAD yen, sell short signal is here. All right, buy to cover, so we should be out of that trade. Broke resistance, green candles, great short, an amazing short trade here with CAD yen. All right, so we should be out of that trade, CAD yen. All right, getting ready to go long. All right, TRY JPY, that's your Turkish yen pair, still holding, right? Still holding a really good short trade here. All right, so just let that continue to run. Dollar ZAR, that closed, right? Look, keep an eye on the dollar. We could see the dollar. Not, I can't say that it's bullish yet, right? A lot of buying yet, but it looks like it's slowing down that selling. All right, so USD HKD closed that short trade. Good short trade there. So close that. USD PLN closed that short trade. You see these short trades are closing, right? The dollar short trades are closing. So close that. USD PLN short trade. Aussie Swiss holding its short trade well. Euro ZAR holding its short trade. Pound ZAR, right? Good short trade going. All right, holding it short trade there. Pound SGD, right? We send these out. So pound SGD, sell short signal holding, and then pound CAD, right? A decent short here going. So good trades in Monster Scalper, both long and short. All right, both long and short. Take a quick look at Forex Dominator. Long positions. All right. So USD CNH. Oh, hold on. All right. Forex dominator. All right. USD CNH. All right. That's holding found support. All right. Buyers are coming back in. That's great. USD CNH. And that's a dollar pair. You guys see here? So the dollar pair is closing the shorts and the longs are trying to make a move. Swiss yen, right? That's continuing. Look at that. Nice trade here with Swiss yen in Monster Scalper. All right. Euro yen, euro yen. All right. In Monster Scalper, buy signal is here all the way up here. So, Monster Scalper traders, keep an eye on those yen pairs. When you get those signals, right, be active with those trades. Pound yen, buy signal is here. That's holding. ZAR yen, right? Buy signal is here, holding. So the yen pairs, right? Pound Aussie holding, pound CAD holding. Those pound pairs, guys, was hoping that they would continue to move higher. We've seen sell signals on in Monster Scalper on those trades. All right, we've seen some shorts too. All right, so if you're trading them in Forex Dominator, just be careful. Okay, watch them closely. We have some selling coming in. Pound SGD, right? White candle here, right? If that hits support here, we'll get a sell signal to close those. I just want those to move either way, right? They've been consolidating for a while. So whether it's long or short, we just need them to kind of break out of that tight consolidation. All right. EUR, Euro CAD, buy signal holding. Euro HKD holding. Euro SGD holding. And then Euro dollar holding there. All right. So those are the longs in Monster Scalper. I'm sorry, Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at, let's see here, the shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. Dollar ZAR. All right. That's holding us short. But keep, like I said, keep an eye on the dollar. All right. USD MXN, Mexican peso, good short going there. All right. USD CZK, see that? See here, it's right. It's getting some support right here. So keep an eye on that. Dollar CAD right here holding. SGD JPY. All right. I don't like the dollar pairs. Let's take a quick look at the dollar index. Okay. So here's the dollar index, guys. Right. And you see right here, the dollar made a move here. What we don't want is for the dollar, it has a short signal. What we don't want is the dollar to get back. Previous support, remember this, previous support becomes resistance. Okay, so right now the dollar is up. The dollar is up right now. So we could see the dollar get back into this box here. Okay, so we don't really want that. All right, that's not good for equities, right? We don't really want that. So just keep an eye on that. All right, USD DKK. All right, same thing here. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right, welcome, Solomon. All right. USD SEK. Okay, same thing here. Right. Be very careful with this trade. All right, with the dollar, right, holding their support, really good support on this right here, USD SEK. We could see buyers really coming quick. Okay, guys, and if anyone is in here, just be very, very careful. All right, so this big long candle here, we could see, right, buyers really come in. Okay, so be careful. Be careful of that. Just be careful of the dollar shorts. USD HUF, same thing here. A lot of support right there. USD NOK, all right. Support, finding support right here. Okay. Just if you're in them, you can trade them. Just be careful. Be mindful of what the dollar index is doing right here. Okay, right here. A lot of support right here. Okay, so all right. Your US 30 is holding. Okay, US 30 is holding solid. So you guys that are trading the US 30, continue to hold it long. Here was a buy signal here, holding nicely. Made a high, retraced a bit, but I'm still holding well. What's really good news is that it broke out of that resistance, strong resistance, right? We had here finally broke out with a big candle. All right. So big candle, right? When was this? Monday. All right. Monday's price action here. Tuesday. No, I'm sorry. Tuesday's price action. Wednesday's price action. And then this is the new price action, right? For the next 24 hours. Okay. So holding nicely, exactly what we want to see. We want these candles to close near, right? Close and open, right? Just like they're doing now. All right. A bit of a pullback here, but holding nicely. So just hold on to your 60-minute time frame. Okay. We've been waiting for this breakout. Now is the time to just hold on, hold firm. Okay. To the US 30. All right. Held support here, all green candles. Just hold on to that trade. Okay. All right. The NAS 100 gave a sell signal, and we've got a red candle. So our NAS 100 traders, you should be out. All right. But don't give up on it. All right. Don't give up on it. Don't go short either. All right. So don't short it. All right, this is not shorting territory. All right, we're in the markup phase. All right, hold on. We're in the markup phase. So just hold on. All right, you should have taken profits and then wait for the next buy signal there. All right, the S&P, all right, give a sell signal right here to be out. Same thing, all right. Don't short, just wait patiently. Nice markup phase. Okay, so just wait for the next trade. All right. All right. Monster dollar. So here we are in monster dollar. All right, here is the daily, and this is what we're seeing. We're seeing buying come in. This is on the 60-minute here. Okay, so we do have a buy signal. Okay, in monster dollar. All right, so it's an early buy signal. All right, really good markdown phase. So there've been some selling. All right, there've been some selling. So traders will definitely look, all right, to push it back up. Even if they get it back up to this area here, right? They can certainly do that. And we're seeing buying coming in, all right, on that time frame there. So keep an eye on that. All right. Keep an eye on that. Overall trend is down. Overall trend here is down, but buying is coming in. So your dollar pairs, keep an eye on those. All right. But monster dollar, we'll look to push this system. Okay. We'll look to push this system. Monster metals, right? Monster metals. We've got gold. Gold right here has a nice move going. All right. So buy signal here. Nice price action. We've got a nice big green candle here. Nice markdown phase. All right. And what we're trying to do here with gold, if you guys look here, we have a nice trend, right? I would say right here. If we can recover, right, And we do have a green candle, but we can recover here. That should be great. We have resistance right about right here. All right. So, but good trade going so far. All right. Good trade going in monster, in gold, in monster metals. All right. Um, platinum. Let's take a look at platinum. Let's see here. Same thing, right? Right, we've got buyers coming in. We don't have a buy signal yet on the daily, but we do have a buy signal here. Nice markdown phase, accumulation, markup phase. All right, right here. We have a white candle right here, but it's holding support right there. That's platinum. Silver, look at silver. Buy signal on the daily, holding well. All right. And here on the 240, buy signal here. Nice trade here going. All right. And copper, nothing to do yet. All right. So don't go short, don't go long, just wait on copper. Copper will generally follow the other metals. Okay. All right. So good job with the metals. All right. So 3 out of 4 buy signals holding nicely. Monster Energies, right? Right. Monster Energies, crude oil. All right. Crude oil. Buy signal here on the daily. All right. We need to wait. Right. Wait for the next buy signal. Previous trade did well. All right, previous trade did well. Just wait for the next buy signal. Don't really like this. Very choppy in here on that daily. Look at that daily. Very, very choppy. But you know, at some point, guys, crude oil will do really, really, really well. There's some great, amazing trading opportunities. When crude oil, all right, and natural gas, when they move, right, we can find really good trades. All right, a bit choppy now, but things will open up. Okay, natural gas right here. All right, nice markdown phase here. Nice markdown phase. Right, it's got a buy signal. All right, but consolidating right now. No buy signal here, so just wait, right? And natural gas will move really well also. Heating oil, all right, we have a buy signal here, good buy signal here on the daily, right? After a markdown phase, all right, and we have a buy signal. Previous trades have done okay, all right? They've done okay here, buy signal here, all right? And monster indices. All right. So the Dow, right? With the monster indices, we have 2 more, right? So we do the Dow, the S&P, Russell, right? The Nikkei, which is Japan, and the FTSE, which is the UK. All right. So the Dow 30, right? Buy signal is here. Buy signal here looks good. The NAS, buy signal here. Right, here's the daily trending higher. You guys know that. S&P right here, buy signal here, and the Russell. Okay, good trading also with the Russell. Buy signal is here, holding, and then the Nikkei. All right, Nikkei waiting on a buy signal. Right, we have a buy signal here, but boy, if we can, and these markets will tend to follow our equity markets too. All right, so green candle here, purple support and resistance, but it looks like it want to make a move. We do have a buy signal here, okay? But if we can get a buy signal here, we could get another previous long trade like this, okay? So, and then the FTSE, all right, not very good price action. So we're just gonna wait to see, all right, if we can break through resistance. Right, it's got pretty tough resistance right here. All right, not a lot of volume though, a lot of volume. But we do have a buy signal here on this time frame. We just need to break through that. Okay. All right, let's keep going. I want to go through the different systems this evening. Right, we've um, bonds, monster bonds. All right, monster bonds. The 10-year and 30 will move really, really well. All right, right now the 2-year, All right, is in a markdown phase right here. We do have a buy signal here that closed. All right. Now we could get a short, right? We could get a short opportunity. Let's take a look here on the 2-year. All right, so no short yet on that 2-year, but we'll watch out for possibly a short. All right, the 5-year holding a buy signal right here. All right, found support down in this area here. All right, but this can go anywhere. It can go either long or short. All right, but hopefully, right, we can get a green candle, kind of like this right here, push this buy signal here up. All right, that's the 5-year. 10-year, 30-year will really move. Buy signal is here, same thing, almost identical. All right, almost identical to the 5-year. And then the 30-year. We do have a green candle here on the 30-year. All right, so we have a green candle right here on the 30, and we have a buy signal right here, breaking resistance. So the 30 looks really good. All right. All of these are down now, down on the daily time frame, but they can certainly turn. All right, turn up. Crypto's monster. All right. We do have a buy signal on Bitcoin. All right. So we have a buy signal on Bitcoin on the weekly right here. And then on the daily, it's right here. Bitcoin is surprisingly still around 30,000. So it is holding that 30,000 mark, which is really good resistance. Okay. So you guys remember right here is where Bitcoin had a difficult time right here at 30,000. We're going to bring this, we might leave this right here. All right, right here. So Bitcoin 30,000 is a big deal. And it's been holding right near that 30,000 for some time now. All right. So right here, Bitcoin 30,000. All right. So we're going to leave that there. And it is struggling, right? It's just been consolidating right there at that 30,000 mark. Okay. Litecoin, right? Same thing here. Not a very good chart here. A lot of consolidation here on the weekly. This is a weekly time frame, guys. A lot of consolidation in there. Bitcoin Cash. All right. Bitcoin Cash is trying to make a move here. All right. Look at the markdown phase here on the weekly. Buyers came in a big way. On the weekly, daily is holding well. All right. Ethereum. All right. Ethereum holding, right? Consolidating here. All right. So, but Bitcoin is the one that really needs to break out. If it does, the other coins will follow. All right. And then Monster Yen. All right. Wait for Monster Yen. All right. Just wait on this system. Okay. We have no idea what this what the pound yen is going to do, and it's been very, very choppy. Okay. It's been moving for a while, and it's consolidating right here. Okay. So just wait. All right. Just wait. We're getting buy signals with the other yen pairs. But just, sometimes the pound yen will, it's very, very volatile. So just hold off right now. I wouldn't go short. We don't have a long signal. I don't think we have a short. Well, yeah, we have a short signal, but look here. We didn't call this, right? We didn't call this. I think the last signal we called was this buy signal here. I believe this was the one. So just wait. All right. If you want to trade it and you're concerned about it, just let me know. All right. Very difficult trading the pound yen. All right, that's why we have its own system. Um, Monster Scalper is doing well, but just know that we have no real direction. Okay, so we just trading, we're trading everything kind of individually, right? So you'll see things. You'll notice that when we send out signals, we're taking a little bit of this, taking a little bit of that. Okay, so not a lot of direction. All right, but that can change. You guys know, right? Things can change quickly. So we've got this is not bad here. We have some selling here, but these are mixed. See the yen pairs, buyers, sellers, the dollar pairs, right? A lot of buying is coming in, right? This was all red a few days ago, and now buyers are coming in here, right? The euro pairs are mixed, all right. The pound pairs, right? You know, decent short going. So just be careful. Still a lot of volatility, right? Still nice movements. The majority of the pairs, I would say a good 80, 90% above 20. All right. So that's good. That's good volatility. Forex hasn't consolidated in a while, right? So we've had good trades, long and shorts, all right, in both Monster Scalper and then Forex Dominator. Same thing for Forex Dominator, all right? Things are mixed in Forex Dominator, all right? And same here, mixed in Forex Dominator. So, but that doesn't mean we've done a really good job trading, all right? Because, right, we still have good volatility. A lot of these pairs are above 20. So we still have good movement, good volatility. All right. So we've been lucky. We've been fortunate. All right. To have that. The last system I want to go through is we can't do much with Monster Short. All right. Which is good. All right, which is good because markets are long. We only bring this system out when markets are bearish. Okay, so we don't have a lot. I remember when the markets were moving lower, we had about almost 1,000 symbols in here that were going short. Now we barely have 30 in here, so that's good, right? They're not shorting. So if they were, the emphasis focus was on shorts, we would see it here. So nothing to do there. Monster ETF, we are starting to see, guys, for a long time, we haven't seen a lot of movement. Now, this isn't a very popular system with traders, okay? Because we don't have a lot of volatility unless you go to the ultra shorts, okay? But there are opportunities, okay, that you can, like your 3x shorts, those are volatile. Those will move, okay? But these are your ETFs. But we are seeing moves here, okay? We are seeing some moves. And what I want to do is I want to go through some of these, all right? Now, I know, right, we want those fast moving systems, right, futures, but you guys can park some cash in here, all right, if you wanted. But for the first time in a long time, we've seen a lot. Look at this, all of these symbols, a lot of emerging markets, right? A lot of the emerging markets are also here, okay? But a lot of symbols, a lot, a few months ago, we were only having about 20, 30, and look at this now, a lot. So we've seen a lot of movement, okay? So I just want to go through some of these, all right? And I want to focus on emerging markets, all right? And other, all right? All right, hold on. All right. All right. So here is First Trust Japan. So there's a move going on in Japan. Look at this here. Right now, you're not going to get a lot of volatility, but you still want to pay attention to, especially when they're starting to move. All right. So that's Japan, the buy signal here. All right. Latin America. Let's take a look here. Now, I haven't really done a lot of work on these, but they're definitely coming through. All right. There's a buy signal here, Latin America. So something is going on with, let's see here. I'm not saying that you're going to spend a lot of time here. Colombia, let's see here. FTSE Colombia, right? Right here. Buy signal here came in. That's on the weekly time frame. Look at this. Buy signal here on the weekly time frame. Buy signal here on the daily time frame here. Perfect buy signal here. All right, that's Colombia, FTSE Colombia, Asia. All right, nothing here. Argentina. All right, look at Argentina. Like, these are emerging markets, guys. Buy signal here. Look at this price action here on the weekly time frame now. Look at that. All right. So what's that tell? What that's telling us is, as our market improve, right? Our equity markets improving, getting buy signals, moving higher. These emerging markets are also getting a bid and is moving higher too. Okay. All right. All right. That's Argentina there. The UK, right? The UK, no buy signal there. Greece. I just want you guys to be open, keep an open mind. Here is Greece right here, buy signal here. Look at this on a weekly time frame, right? On a weekly time frame, guys. Okay. And those of you who trade monster futures, right? There is a correlation. So you could see these come through on the in ETF, and then in futures also. We'll take a look at monster futures. Okay. We don't go through these often here. We have so many other exciting markets, but as you guys grow in your trading, okay, you can certainly take advantage of some of these emerging markets. Just so many. Very surprising. Israel, let's see here. Israel has a buy signal came in today. Green candle here on the weekly. Buy signal came in yesterday. Green candle here. All right. So just wanted to show you guys, because finally Chile. All right, look at Chile right here. There is definitely something going on, guys. We're trying to follow where that money is going. Look at Chile. Buy signal here, broke resistance today on the weekly time frame. All right. I'm not telling you to go ahead and trade these, but just letting you know what's going on. Buy signal here, that's moving up nicely on the daily here. India. Let's take a look at India. India gave a buy signal. Buy signal this week. Look at that. Look at India. Buy signal this week, guys. India right here on the weekly time frame. Look at the previous trade there. Okay, so be open-minded. All right, and look at the price action here on the daily there. It's monster ETF. All right. This is why we have multiple systems, guys, so we can catch different opportunities in the different markets. Poland, let's see what's happening. Look at Poland. There is something going on. Also, that gives us confirmation that, hey, that it's not just the Dow, the S&P, and Nasdaq, right? We have further confirmation that these other countries, right? These other countries, their markets are moving higher. All right. So that helps, right? That helps. It's not just our market, the other markets, the other countries, their markets are moving higher. So there is some fundamental shift, right? That's helping, right? All the markets move higher. All right. And vice versa. When they move down, we want to pay attention to that. But this is Poland right here, right? Look at the weekly time frame. And then here's the daily here. Let's go through a few more. I just want to focus. There's a ton here. Just want to focus on emerging markets right now. The good thing about heat seeker here is that it does it automatically. So if things are moving, we'll see it. A lot of investors really love ETFs, right? Rather than stocks, because you don't have news and data affecting. You have the world economies, right? But you don't have earnings and such to interrupt your price action. So a lot of investors, big investors too, love ETFs. Here is Africa, right? Africa trying to make a move on the daily, still in the markdown phase. All right, on the weekly. There's so many. Europe, so Europe, all right, Europe buy signal here. I think we looked at a similar one earlier. And you can also trade the Russell. You could trade the Russell. Let's take a look at the Russell. All right, so buy signal here on the daily, no buy signal here on the weekly. The S&P, we know what the S&P is doing. Okay, S&P small cap. We looked at India. Japan again, right here. Okay. All right. So not a major focus, right? But right, they're more exciting systems. But boy, once you guys get going, especially those of you, doing really, really well trading the other systems, it's not a bad idea to, to trade some of these markets here, put some capital to work, especially when we see that I like what's going on with the emerging markets, right? I like what's going on. Not really China. Let's see China. Yeah, China's down, but a lot of the other markets are moving higher. All right. All right. So hope you guys, we don't talk about Monster ETF a lot, but hopefully you learned some stuff about that system this evening. Monster futures. Okay. Let's take a look at Monster futures and then we'll be done. Okay. We have, let's see. our positions in monster futures, those are still holding. Okay. All right. So these are the long positions in monster futures. And then we'll look to see if we can add anything. Okay. So oats, the continuous oats, right? That's still holding. Live cattle. All right. Live cattle guys still trading well. All right. Soybean, that's holding. This one here, that's your S&P. Just a really good trade here going, guys. And monster futures, that S&P one day after another, just really doing a good job trading higher. No sign of any real pullback. Crude oil is holding right here. All right. Choppy markdown phase there, but still holding. Said crude oil will move. Now let's take a look to see what else we can add. The short, the one short. Oh, we closed that short. I think that was the gold. Yeah, gold short we closed because gold is making a move higher. All right. All right. So let's take a quick look to see. And then we'll be done here. So these are the longs. I already ran these. Okay. Corn. Let's take a look at corn. Wait for corn. Okay. Let's see here. It's setting up, but not ready yet. Okay. So wait for corn. We're going to keep an eye. I'll take a second look at crude oil. Crude oil is giving a buy signal. So let's see here what else we have. Gold is definitely setting up. Okay. Gold is setting up. S&P, we know S&P is moving well. All right. Soybeans, we're in that. A lot of S&P. Let's see if we can find. Here is gold again. So boy, S&P is all over here. Palladium, platinum, silver. All right, so the metals are setting up. They're not quite ready yet. Okay. Silver. I tell you, silver looks much better than gold. Okay, so we're going to add silver, right? Let's take a hold on. Oh, very choppy here. I don't want us to force any trades, but quite honestly, guys, I don't think that silver we have buy signals on silver, but look at this, just very choppy. And you know, futures move, so we want to be very careful. That soybean trade, look, a lot of that soybean. So that's why that soybean trade is doing really well. Let's wait, okay, to add anything. What's setting up though is crude oil is setting up a bit, but the metals are setting up. We just have to wait. All right, we just have to wait on the metals. So silver, gold. That could be the next rotation. All right. The Russell. If you guys wanted to take a position, our futures, monster futures traders, if you wanted to take a position, Dean is on here. Joe, you on here. Right, you might take a trade. I think the S&P, that's gone. That S&P trade is gone. But you can take a look at the Russell. Yeah, that S&P trade is gone. Okay. But the Russell, but you just go lightly. But the metals are shaping up. Okay. Hopefully they continue to move nicely higher. The shorts, not a lot of shorts. Right. These are all the shorts. The best short, right, that's going right now is the VIX. All right. All right. So the VIX right here, that's the best short that's going right here. We did miss this short. Right. We missed the VIX short. All right. We won't miss it the next time because we're coming out with the VIX system. Okay. So let's see here. Yeah, we miss a really good short. Look at that short, guys. It's on the weekly time frame. And you know, we saw a lot of that coming in, but you know, just what the focus wasn't there, priority wasn't there. But we'll catch it. We'll probably catch it on the upside, right? But great short. I mean, look at this. Great short. This is on the weekly time frame. Sell short signal was right here. Just a great short and very good moves, good volatility, and you'll see a big difference in your P&L when you catch the VIX trades. Okay, so, but it's too late to catch it now. Too late to catch it. Okay. All right. We went through. I wanted to go through the different systems, the different markets, so you guys can see, right, what's going on. You can start to line everything up. All right, especially these emerging markets, right? Hopefully, you guys learned some stuff from a monster ETF, right? Where most of these other countries, except for China, right, they're getting a bid, they're getting buy signals, and their markets, their economies, right, their markets, also moving higher like our market. So that gives us good confirmation that it's not just our market, right? The other countries, their stock markets are moving higher also. Okay, so there's something going on. We don't need to know what it is. Okay, so that will help you to stay solid, with your positions. All right, guys, take care. And I will see you tomorrow. All right. And tomorrow we'll get back into equities. So we'll go tomorrow. We'll go over Stock Boss Bull Master. All right. All right, guys. Take care. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye bye.